Cap 26 here just do the repair and tips, and sometimes you have to fill a mold with one of these. The bigger the better, because I'll tell you why. This piece right down here, when you retract it, like so, with the resin in there, something just pops off. What you want to do with that, when that happens, is take a little Krazy glue, this stuff, and pop that rubber piece off and glue it back on, let it set to dry, and then when you draw resin into the syringe and you inject it into your mold like so, and then get more resin, it won't pop off. So this is called injection molding. Just want to show you that. So just glue that piece on there, that black piece on, just pull it off on the smaller syringes, and you can find those, online. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and rate, subscribe, and watch my friends in the playlist. Talk to you later.